let's start working on the services section. So first, we're going to add a padding for top and bottom, which is 60 pixel. So simply target the .services div and add a padding 60 pixels on top and bottom, and border bottom, copy this one, one pixel solid, and preview it. As you can see, it's applying. Next will be the H4 spacing, I mean the margin. So services H4, and the margin for it will be 30 pixel. Check it. Now it has a spacing right there. Now this will be followed by the paragraph. Let's make the margin bottom 40 pixel. Now let's turn that learn more into uppercase. So services that more, as we style it or apply a class more, then text transform to uppercase. Then the font weight is 700 and the font size is 13 pixel. Refresh. Now let's take care of the, I think that's this, the icons right here. Now switch back to what we name it, icon sprite. So for the icon sprite itself, since it has a width of 32 for the icons as well as height, then we're going to display this as inline block. And for the background, we're going to link it to the icon sprite we've made. So image sprite.png, then make sure it's not repeated, no repeat, and the background position for this one is left top. And let's add a margin bottom of 20 pixel for the spacing of the icons. Now let's check it and hit on refresh. URL sprite, and let's check it on our image directory and we name it sprite. So the location of the services icon is on the center, since there is a white icons right here stacking. what we're going to do is to adjust the position. So icon sprite dot sprite web, if you can remember the name right here, sprite web, and make sure that you don't leave a space, just icon sprite that sprite web, and change the position to background position still on left, and the top is -32 pixel. Let's see what happened. As you can see, the icon of web is shown now, and continue doing this for the two remaining icons, and the value will change is the left, since it's, as you can see, it's on this side, so -32, that will be -32 pixel. Then for this one, -32 plus 32, that will be 64 pixel. Make sure you change the icon class name right there to dev, and the other one is soup. So dev and soup. Now hit on refresh. Now the icons are showing just right there, and we're going to adjust the padding for each services, especially on this part, which is mobile. So let's take care of that. And we're going to target, as you can see right here. So we have a services web, services dev. So we're just going to place it right here. So that services web, and as well as services dev. This will have a margin bottom 30 pixel, or we can make it 60 pixel like that. But on the desktop part, we're going to reset the styling and remove that margin. So first, the mobile side, since mobile first. And that's it for the services section. On the next part, we're going to take care of the heading as well as the gallery right here.